Sarah and the girls are very creative. If you want an example of that, come look in my office on Sunday and I'll show you the pictures they painted for me or things they've done. I've got all kinds of stuff that Sarah and the girls have drawn or painted or created because they're creative. I'm creative in different ways. If you want me to draw something, you better give me something to trace. In fact, when I was a kid, I did lots of that. I used to trace hockey cards, I used to trace airplanes. I couldn't draw one, but I could trace it because I had a pattern to follow. As I grew up in the church, I was told lots about patterns. We were supposed to look for patterns in the Word of God. And so we came up with lots of them, but somehow I was never given a pattern that Paul gives Timothy in 2 Timothy chapter 1. In fact, the passage has the word pattern right in it. So how on earth did we miss that? I don't know how we missed it, but we're going to correct that this week. We're going to talk about a pattern to follow. And it's going to give you a chance to hear something really positive, really exciting, really encouraging, because you can follow this very important pattern and it'll make a difference everywhere you go. 2 Timothy chapter 1, a pattern to follow, is the title of the sermon. In Bible study, we're continuing our study of prayer, and we're in Jesus' prayer in John 17. We'll finish that up this week. We'll start in about verse 20 and go to the end and see what Jesus has to say. He's praying for one particular thing in those last few verses of John 17. So go look for that. That'll form the core of what we talk about on Sunday in our Bible study. As always during the winter, we have lunch ready to be served, and that only happens because you bring it. So please plan to come, please plan to stay, please plan to share. Bring enough for your family and one more in case we have visitors. Again, hang around and visit. It's a great time. You'll really enjoy it. People have been away this week because it's been a holiday from school. People have been traveling all over the place. Some will be back on Sunday. Others will still be away. But if you're able to be there, it's going to be really good. So we're looking forward to seeing you.